This is gonna be fire. If I can test this out and get this is gonna be dope. Wow, let's see. Let's see who's gonna join in here. Let's zoom there real quick. Join in at everyone. Everyone. There you go, everyone, right? Let's see what we got here. I think I found a very important piece of the puzzle that I think I've been missing. Yeah, Scott here. Oh, Scott. Oh, what's up, man? How you doing? I think I found a piece that might be pretty good. Might be pretty good. I think I keep two screens because on the
Hit me
trading
with the
view.
daddy. Can you hear
Trading
me?
view. Yeah, I can hear you. Who's that?
Hell yeah. Okay, perfect.
Hey. So I realized that on the trading view sucks in a way because you can only do like split screens, I guess the way it is. I mean, it's still cool. So it's almost like, okay, let me just see how I can use this ADD. Not the ADD, but the market internals that Seb was talking about. Because I think this works out pretty well. I was just testing this, I was back testing this, excuse me, on NAS. So I said, okay, it was 9:30. And I guess they don't show the market closed hours, but they show it in the opening hours. So this is my take on this. I think with this and the indicator, this is going to make the market go nuts. I think like if it closes at 4:30, I don't want that one. Hold on, that's not the arrow I want. I want this arrow right here. So let me just give my philosophy. It closes at 4:30 here. It closed at 656.9. So from what I'm understanding is where's my notes? Where's my notes here? My notes are telling me I guess if it's between 1,000 and negative 1,000, somewhere up in there, it's kind of like a consolidation, I guess. And if it's above 1,800, it's a bullish run, and if it's below negative 1,800, it's a if it opens up, it's going to be bearish. So this closed right here at 656. So then, okay, the market is closed. I mean, NAS still runs, but the market internals is like we're closed. So then you come back to 9:30 in the morning here, and it opens up at 1,800. So it's like that's got to be bullish. So if I come over here at 9:30, I automatically get buy signals popping up everywhere on the indicator, and then we already in green on the color flip, as you know there. So I'm like, okay, well, there's a bunch of confluences going on. You got FVG gaps all over the place. You've got the mass support here. So it's like you can clearly see that if you're going to draw your little line somewhere, let's say somewhere here, you already got the higher highs, higher lows in here. So if we're chilling with our coffee, say around 8:30, and we're trying to get ready for this market, based on this market internals, there's a big gap, so it has to be recovery. There's got to be recovery in here. So even though this gap down below, let me move this line here, this little line, that's open market. So it kind of came back down a little bit and then shot back up on the market internals, but over here on the chart, it's bullish as hell. So it's like it's right around in this area that 9:30, I guess 9:30 candle open up somewhere up in here. But you can clearly see if you're up here around 9 o'clock, you're just waiting. And this is kind of consolidation here, but you've got all kind of things popping off. You got higher highs, higher lows, excuse me. You got buy signal here, buy signal there. You got FAGs all up in here, and then everything is bullish. Based on this, we could have seen that when the market closed. This is Thursday, 23rd. It's Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. So when the market closed here, it closed at 656. So there's this gap here, with this gap here between 1,000. Let me see if I can go in here and put the where is that? 1,000 here. So if it's 1,000, let's say 1,000. Here, right? 1,000. So up in there. So that's 1,000 right there. I would say some gap here, but this is the gap here. This is a huge gap. So since it closed down here, it's got to fill this gap up. So this would tell us that when the market opens up in the morning, on Friday morning, it's got to be bullish out the start. So here's the proof of that right there, based on all of the indicators. So that's like, well, let's go back and let's back test this thing. So here's that was the 23rd. So let's go back to 22nd and see if this thing still holds up. I've been back testing this thing, trying to see if this is really legit or not. 23rd, 22nd. So let's see what the 22nd sales shows here.
Like for me, from the coding standpoint, as long as we have like data points to kind of like hold and compare, like we could do the average score, because when you're looking at the 1 minute internals from market open to market close, there's only going to be so many candles, and I think it's I want to say no, it's probably like 2,000 candles or something in a day.
Can I jump in?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
All right, so
you there?
Yes, I'm here. Okay. Now that big gap that you were talking about, that's just data saying like that day it was closed by 600 stocks going up, or I can't really see. But then the next day you had a major gap of many stocks gapping up for the next day. That is extremely bullish. So you had, it ended up pretty strong that day prior to, today. And the next day you had 1,800 stocks even going higher for the day. That's what it gapped up. And they didn't want to fill that gap in the morning because it was too much bullishness. A lot of stocks were gapping up. So if you look at the charts like Apple, Amazon, I guarantee you a lot of those stocks gapped up. So the indicator is telling you, hey, it's a bullish day.
Yeah, look at this example here. This is on the 22nd because it works with the indices. That's what's going to make this so great, because you're going to get some serious dough on the NASDAQ. Yeah, it's game. I'm telling you, it's game over. This is game over. I kid you not. That's why I'm kind of excited about it. I don't get. Yeah,
bro. I'm trying to explain that to Dex, and he doesn't believe me.
Well, all I can tell you is that I'm excited about this. This might be the best. I mean, the
best indicator out there.
Well, no, the indicators that we have now are the best out there, because I've seen a lot of them. But this is this is gonna put the sauce. Yeah, the game over. This is gonna put the sauce on the pizza, or what do you want to call it, man? This is dope.
Correct.
Yeah,
oh, dude, I'm excited. From my standpoint, the tools that we have are
the bomb.
Uncomparable to what other people do.
Exactly. I tell people that all the time.
So many groups. I've helped like trade with and mentor some of these groups and these traders who go off. But man, like the shit we're doing.
I want to show you one more indicator that goes with the ADD. You ready?
Which one's that?
I'm gonna tell you now. I try to look for it, see maybe we could find it, but we can't. Right? I don't think they have it. So go to the ticker symbol and put in VOLD.
VOLD?
Yeah, just put that in. It's not a stock or anything like that. It's just an internal.
Ball bank shares?
This is the advance. Yes, go there. Advance and decline right there.
This one here?
Right there. Yeah. So now.
Oh shit. This might be better than internals, man.
Yeah, dude, this is what I was looking at.
Oh shit. This is crazy. Hold on.
Oh yeah, this is the shit.
This is shit. Oh, this is shit here. This is not even an indicator. It's just like, but you can tell.
Yes,
this is dope, man.
Bro, I sent you the picture how to set up your whole system up, but that don't came out right. Go click back over there by the indicator, not the indicator. I'm sorry. The by the chart. Go to the chart.
Well, see, my thing is I'm going to rock the chart over here and then keep this separate because I can't see both.
No, I just want you to look at the other one. Don't look at the ADD. Look at the other one.
This one?
No,
this one?
Not the void.
Oh, void. This one here.
Yes, you see the chart. It says void.
Not
that. The one on top.
This one? Oh, this one.
Yes, click it. Show that one. Now take off all your indicators so we can look at it. Just, make it.
Take them off.
You can't see it. Every single one. Take all the indicators out. All right, now go to the last day.
24th.
Okay, now now you see the volume going up.
Yeah.
So that is up volume versus down volume. So even though the ADD was going down, the volume was telling you that there were more volume going up than down.
So okay, I'm going to interject on this.
Yeah.
I'm going to interject on this because I was actually looking and doing some analysis with the VOLD. And what I immediately noticed is that it almost runs the market maker patterns through the VOLD. Like you could almost spot it, because on the days where we just liquidate, like from the 24th all the way to current time, that's just straight run. That's pure profit, pure money.
Right,
but
right.
If you look at the end of the 22nd to the 23rd to the 24th, from the 21st to the 22nd, we have that full 1 day run. And then we go into 2 day consolidation to another day run.
Correct.
If you back reference this onto the charts, you can actually start aligning it with some schematics of distribution and stuff like that, and even waves. But I think there's something to be had if we have a range defier on the VOLD or something like that, where we can encapsulate where the volume on demand is. And if we've actually broken out of that volume demand, because like you can clearly see the like buildup of the volume from the 22nd to the 24th.
Right. So can I just explain something?
Yeah, go for it.
Now look at the volume and then look at the ADD. So when the ADD opens above 1800, the volume on the indicator on top explodes up to the upside.
Oh shit, I didn't see that correlation.
Yes, I'm trying to explain it because I've been doing this for like 20 years using this crap. Right? Now you look at the next 2 days, the ADD open up in the middle of the zeros, and look at the volume. Mixed volume is going up and down. So you have a range day or a choppy day. You see how this shit works now?
So you have this volume here that opened up 1800 right here. So this is at 930, and this here shot up. This is up. This is above 1800. So you're gonna have a bullish day. If you're down here someplace,
Okay, hold on. I'm pulling up the traditionals. We keep
that
up. I'm looking at all the charts for that, because this is.
So I get this. So if you come in in the morning at 930 and you get like this right now, once this closed right here, I'm already knowing it's gonna be, because this is a gap right here, a little gap right there. So it has to fill that gap. But then it gets to a point where it's up here at this level here, and then it drops off. So you can always see that that's kind of like a kind of a resistance area right there. But you had the bullish run in the morning, so you got 930 to 10.
So now look at that. So let me explain something, right? Now, if you look at that day that you were pointing at, right? Oh, okay. You see how the ADD open up in the negative 2000?
Down here.
Look at the volume. Look at the volume. How it went down all day.
You mean that? You make this right here.
So that's how. No. That the 2000 level negative.
Okay, so we're gonna try to break this down. We're gonna break it down so it makes sense. That's where I want to go.
Hold up. Yeah. Finding a discrepancy in this logic right now. Looking back on that negative 2000 open on the ADD and that big slide down on the VOLD. Taking a look at the 930 open on June 16th.
June 16th, right here. Okay.
At the 930 open, we already had a major sell-off from London.
A gap down. Yeah.
Right, gap down. But that means the sell is going to continue.
The sales didn't continue though.
Right. So if the market opens up at 930 below 2000, then you're already looking at a continuation from London. So you should be selling it off, which is this
all day.
All day, right? All day. So when you get your coffee at 9 9:15, whatever else, 9:30, you should be ready to get a sell. Like opening market, boom, jumping in for a sell because that means that.
So let's go to the next day, right? Let's go to the next day. Now let me explain this, right? So the market opened above zero. You agree?
Right here, right here, right here. Let me put that in there.
Hold on. Everybody agrees that the market opened up above zero.
Above zero, right? Yep.
Right, and it went up to 1,000.
Right.
And then it went down.
It went up to 1851.
And then it went down. But look at the void. When it hit the bottom of the day, it started pushing back up all day. Yep. But you would have cashed that bottom because you know the ADD opened up positive. You had a good day that it was a bullish sentiment range day. It wasn't trending, but it was a range day. You would have cashed that bottom.
Yeah, right here. Yeah.
Correct, because of the ADD and the void together.
So this would have to be a wait. You'd have to wait on this one here. You'd have to wait a little bit. I mean, you could have caught this here, but you could have caught this mad drop and then the upside too.
I wouldn't take that.
You would take this down drop?
No, I wouldn't.
I'll take that. I take that
because the ADD was
I take that. I take that because I'm looking at these charts. I take that, and I would have won that trade. I would have taken that. That's just me. I would have taken the run down here at the bottom. I totally agree with you. But for me, I'm like balls to the wall. I would have done this one here. This would have been a no-brainer for me. But I see what you're saying. Yeah.
Look, now I have another secret to show you guys.
What is it? This is dope. This is some good stuff, man. I think this is going to make the market change. At least it's going to change it for me. I see. This is gold. This is gold, man. This is gold.
I'm trying to explain people, and people think I don't know.
No, I'm
with gold. Scott. Listen, I know with Scott, this could be a game changer.
This is gold, man. I mean, I'm not a coder, but I understand how it works. I mean, I looked at this for DAX. DAX opens up at 3 o'clock, and I back tested DAX 3 or 4 days, and I seen exactly if it opened up low, it had to have that gap to fill it up, and then it was a buy. And if it was up, it appeared someplace up, and then it had that gap, had to come down. Now with this here, this is just, I mean, you can see it. I see it. I see it. This is a game changer, man. I
will show you the next secret in a different video. So now you get to see the companies, right, with the ADD, and then now you get to see the volume of the market, bro. I send you a picture. Maybe you could record it on your message. Can you record that so people could see it?
You talking to me or Scott?
To you.
Oh, this video I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording this. I'm recording this video right now.
Oh, so you can't see it? Can you see it though?
Probably not.
Check. Okay.
Probably not. But it's good because this is good. This is good.
Yeah. So check your DMs, right? And then tell me what you think. It's a game changer, bro. It's just people don't listen to me. You know why they don't listen to me? Because they might think I'm like a rookie or some shit. But I've been doing this shit for 20 years, bro.
Oh, I see your DM. You sent me the DM. Yeah, I see it.
You see the picture?
Yeah, let me open it up here so I can see it. I see it.
Now look at that first picture. Look at the first picture. This is what I'll be trying to tell Scott, right? Look at that. Now you're going to have the 15-minute candles. Click it so people can see it. 15-minute candle and the 1 minute. So you don't get shaked out.
Yeah.
So a multi-time frame. So you're gonna have a multi-time frame candle. You imagine that, bro? That's the void. That's the ticks, right? And then you have that cumulative tick. So the ticks tell you it was positive more than negative. You'll never go short. All the indicators are telling you during the day, that last day that we traded, that you would go long. Right, with so that screenshot that I showed you.
What if I backtest this? Let's look at this. Let's go back. I personally like the 3 minute, but you can do that either or.
Look at that. Look at those days. Hold on. Go back to those 3 red days that went down.
Here.
All right. So click on that, right? So get close to it. All those days.
I mean, these 3 days right here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
So look at the ADD, right? It opened below 1,000 the first day. The second day it opened below 1,000, and the third day it opened down 2,000. You would have cashed that big trade. That swing trade.
There's one right there. There's one right there.
You see what I'm talking about? Now you start to see what day is the range days and what days are the trend days. Game over.
Yeah, these 3 days right here, they've been selling down.
Yes.
And then this is a gap right here. This is a gap right here. So this is going to be, that's cool.
That's a gap, yeah.
Yeah, gap. That's a nice gap. That's cool, man. I see like this here.
You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah. I see something.
So now imagine if you master the market internals and smart money concept, it's game over.
Game was game over. Oh yeah, game over. I totally.
Why do you think, bro? Why do you think?
Game's over.
I'd be killing the market, bro.
Game's
like
over.
People don't understand how I'm predicting this shit, and I'm showing you guys for free.
Yeah,
fucking crazy, bro.
Yeah, I already took advantage of this for Nas. You already seen the Nas trade I had.
So Scott,
Scott
will make it better, bro.
Yeah, but I already seen it because once this buy hit here, and let me see what day is this? This is June 24th. Oh, you might have me freaking out. Hold on. June 24th. Hold on. Let me see. Hold on. June 24th. Where you at? We're here. Yeah, it's the same thing. Let me clear all these things off here because the June 24th move drawings. The June 24th was here. This was the June 24th one here. That was the big buy I was talking to Scott about. I actually said about earlier. That's the kind of the one I was in. That's that trade I was in. So the 24th at 9:30. This is the continuation up here. See, it's just bullets run. So that's the same thing over here. That's this action over here. Damn, that's good.
Correct.
Yeah, that's good, man. Because that opened up at 6, but it's not even 9:30. See, that's the thing. It's a Sunday, but it's still giving you volume, which is good. This is good stuff, man. 9:30.
Yeah, bro.
Good stuff, man. This is really good stuff. Now I'm. this is a lighting fire, man. This is good. This is good shit, man.
Yeah, bro.
This is some market. It's market maker shit. You're right.
By looking at that, bro, tell me if I'm right. By looking at that chart, by looking at the ADD and the void, you could tell which day is a trend day and which day is a range day.
Yeah, right before the market opens up, and then even when the market
closes, tell you, bro.
Yeah, when the market closes, you can tell because it's over here. It's dope. That's ill, man. Oh yeah, that's ill. That's ill.
I'm trying to tell you, bro.
Oh yeah. It doesn't matter. That's why I'm waiting for 9:30 tomorrow. 9:30, I'm hitting Nas with full strength to see what the hell's going on. 9:30. Actually, I'm going to wait for DAX. I was looking at DAX. This works perfectly on DAX, man. All the indices.
It works in all indices.
Right. Yeah.
It also works on major stocks.
Yeah. Look at this.
Like Google. Put Apple. It works the same way, bro.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I agree. I'm gonna kill this market. It's really the game's over.
I'm trying to tell you.
The game's over, man. Even Apple. Yes, that's Apple. APPL. There's Apple. Yeah, Apple's here.
Apple follows the indexes.
Yeah.
They all move the same.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Yep. Look at that. And it's down here. Let's see. What day was that anyway? This was the 24th. Yeah. That's 9:30.
Yeah.
9:30. So 9:30 is right here, right there. Yeah, that's dope. 9:30 is right here. Right? Oh, wait, there. Let me open this up.
No, the first candle, yeah.
So first candle's right here. Let me make it open a little more. Oh yeah, this is perfect, man. This is beautiful. Let's see, market open right here. First candle right there. It's above 1800.
Yeah.
So what? This is June 24th, 9:30. Let's go over here.
Yeah, go look at Apple.
AAPL.
Yep.
That's
yeah.
It's the 24th. Oh yeah.
I told you.
Oh yeah, hell
but,
yeah.
But I'm lying, bro.
24th, 9:30. Where you at? Right in here.
It gapped up, bro.
Yeah, gapped up, right? Exactly, it gapped up. Yeah.
Correct.
9:30.
And if you look at the void, right? It called. Damn. Listen, even though the ADD fell, right? The ADD fell, but a lot of people will buy an Apple. You know why? Because the void was, it was slapping the ass, bro. Fine.
24th. Oh yeah, 24th. Where's it at? Oh, right here.
And look at the void.
Oh damn! So this is like all four things line up. That's a game changer right there, man. It's above 1800. It's over here.
It was bullish day.
Yeah, so I don't even need this one. Keep this one because I already got it here.
Yeah.
But I have, what is it? 18. What is this? This is a 1900. Hold on. I'll go this up more too. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I'll put this up a little bit more. See. Yeah. I guess if it opens up above 1800, then you're looking for a bullish day.
Yeah, for a trend day.
Right. Yeah, bullish day, yeah, trend day. Yeah.
And the volume tells you that.
1908. Let's see. So we just put 1908. 1908. Yeah. 1908.
So I mean, if the market opens, let's say the market opens at 1700, that's still a trend day.
Yeah. But look at this. Look at how it compares on all. This is the bullish run here. The gap was up.
Boom. Consolidated, right? It consolidated and then blew up in the end of the day.
Right. You don't even need
and the void told you that. The volume indicator.
Yeah, because it kind of came back down here and went back up. What's the day? Yeah. This would have been.
So you could buy. Yeah, you could buy calls on that shit and make at least 300%.
Yeah, specifically right about here somewhere.
Yeah, bro. That's because it was flat. Remember, the reason it was flat was because lunch hour. You know, we slowed down that. But
so, is there a way to have the indicator like alert this? Because what I'm seeing right here, this is a perfect move right here. This would have been a perfect trade right here, like a no-brainer trade right here. Look at this. So right there, and then the blues coming up here. You got the green color flip. That's perfect, man. I mean, that's like scientific work. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That is perfect, man. I mean, that's just like lovely. That's lovely right there, boy.
Like,
right here.
Like you look at all those miss on the pro waves, right? You see there's a couple miss signals. You agree?
Yeah, but this one here is the shit right here.
I just want to tell you something, right? But if you have market internals, you know it's a bullish day. You wait for the bullish signal to get in.
Yeah.
And hold it.
Right.
As long as the internals are still bullish for the day, which it was, you hold that position until you make that killer profit.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You won't freak out.
With you on that. This would have been. I mean, the move would have been right here. I guess you could have got in here. You could have got in here and held it because you already know it's going to be bullish.
Correct, because the internals are telling you,
yes,
Apple ain't moving, but guess what? The internals are telling me that we're bullish.
Right.
Look how much money you would have made, bro.
Right. Exactly. You're right. I agree with you. I totally agree with you. And then I agree with you all the way.
You'd be like, damn, I went in at 11 o'clock, right? And the market ain't doing shit.
Right.
A lot of people would have been like, you know what? I'm selling it because nothing's moving. Right. But if you look at the market in terms, you're like, you know what? It's going to be a big move because I see the improvement.
Right. This was 11 o'clock. You're right.
Correct.
I agree with you, man. 100%. You got me, man. I agree with you. You that's golden. You ain't got to prove it to me. I don't know who else you got to prove it to, but you ain't got to prove it to me, brother. You already got my attention.
Yeah, bro. I'm trying to tell people.
This is powerful, man. This is like some pimp shit, man. This is some really market maker fucking Bloomberg shit. This is dope.
Bro, I'm trying to tell you.
Yeah, no.
Big money.
Yeah, it's big money.
Market internals.
Yeah, big money.
Yes, so, because you have to look at the health of the market.
Yeah, 930. Yeah, that's L. It's like, yeah, that's crazy. It opens up above 1800, and it's a trending bullish day. That's dope, man. That's gold. Yeah. That's fucking gold. I'm just saying that's gold. I don't know about anybody else, but that's gold. That's gold for me.
Because you understand it.
That's all I need to know.
Bro, you tell me, now that you have the ability to know when it's, now you have the ability to know when it's a trend day, when it's a range day, and when it's a chop day. You can't beat that.
Yeah, it just matters now just putting it all together, running some notes down, and just like having a group of setting rules that if it opens up above 1800, it's going up. If it's below 1800, it's going down. If somewhere in the middle, if it's somewhere, like you said, it has to make a recovery, so it has to gap up, gap down. Yeah, this is perfect right here. This is scary because if this, I'm just bugging because if this here is right here, if the market closed right here, right there, and you got this long ass gap here. That's going to be like this long gap right there. So that's going to be a sell-off. What is this?
Correct.
That's going to be a sell-off, right? Because it's down here.
There was a gap.
Right.
There was a gap down.
Yeah. So this has to be, what day is this? This is June 22nd.
Look, you read in the chart without even looking.
I know, right? I know. So let me just bug out here for a second. Bugging out like nerd shit. But I'm like, no, I'm saying the gap here. So that's wait, hold on a second. Let me see what that is. Let me move this up a little bit, man, so I can see. That's down here. So it has to be a recovery. So this gap down here, which means that came all the way down here. So it started off here. So the market opened up right here.
Yeah.
Right at negative 2000. So it's got to push up.
So now look at this, right? If you don't, hold on, let me just say something. Right. So the market opened at 1800 negative, correct?
Right here. Yep. Mm-hmm.
And now if you look at the volume, it was steady going straight. That means that they didn't want to sell no more. They wanted to hold the market where it's at. And that's why the ADD blew up because it was cheap. You see that? That's called divergence, bro.
Yeah. So June.
You would have catch the bottom.
21st at 9:30. What's Apple doing June 21st, 9:30? June 21st at 9:30. This will tell you exactly what's happening. Yeah, June 21st at 9:30.
Boom, look at 9:30.
That's it. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at that. Boom. Oh,
Boom.
Oh, that's ill. That's nasty. That's nasty. Yeah. Oh, that's nasty, bro. Oh, look at this. That's nasty. Oh,
how many dollars is that? How many dollars is that?
My pips on the stocks are terrible. I don't know. Let's see. 20, I guess up to here. I don't know, it's 36 points or pips. I don't know what the stocks is, but that's dope, man. But this having this here. Let me go back to, you can go back here. So you could have been right here chilling at 3 o'clock saying, okay, I'm closing the market down. Boom. Let's say I don't do nothing. And then I get the gap down. Yeah. I know how many people, get the gap down. And then the market opens up here. What is that? What is that there? What point is that? Well, actually it's down here. So it opened up below 1900. So that means it's gonna be a bullish day. It has to recover from the gap.
It recovered from the gap, bro.
How many people? No, go ahead.
So what happened was the market opened up bearish, right? At negative 1800. Mm-hmm. But the volume did not follow that negative 1800. It stayed steady. That tells me that it's a divergence. That's the market is cheap and they don't want to sell no more. Boom. That's what the market blew up upstairs.
Right over here next day.
Do you get it?
So if you're coming in here, let's see if I can understand. If you're coming in here, oh, not that one. Hold on, my bad. If you're coming in here with a down arrow here, you say, okay, let me just turn this picture around. There we go. So coming here 2 o'clock, and see if my logic's correct or not. See if I'm up around right around. So got 2 o'clock right here. Let me write that in here. This is a closed market, right? So closed market.
Yes.
Right? So closed market's there. We chilling, and we come in. Let me go ahead and let's see. Do it over here. So we got open market here.
Yeah.
So open market there.
Yes.
right? Market.
Yep. At
so
zero.
It's zero, right? Zero. So
it's neutral.
Okay. Right. Zero. Okay.
Neutral. Up and down. Neutral.
So equals
neutral.
Zero. Neutral. Right. Neutral. Okay. Okay.
All right. And the ADD open up bearish.
Okay. Let me write that in there. Hold on. Right here. Yeah, it did because it's down here someplace, right?
Correct.
So the ADD opens bearish because of that gap had, right? It fell down. Right, okay.
So now, if the ADD is not trending downwards, I'm sorry. If the volume is not trending downwards like usually trend days do, that tells us that there's a recovery coming.
Right. So because if they got this gap here,
is not following the ADD. The ADD gap down to the negative 1800, but the volume did not follow through. It stayed steady. That means they were buying stocks, bro. And that's why it blew up.
So you got the steady movement here. So they got the steady movement here.
That's a divergence.
Right. So you know that a buy is coming soon, a big move. Perhaps in the next open market session.
Yeah.
Yeah. You could have bought this here because this is perfect. This is okay. You got the buy here. So you got the buy, you got the push up here and the push up here. Ooh.
You got rich.
Damn. He was on both levels here.
Yeah.
This push up came at 942. Damn. This came right at the market.
They were buying the market, bro.
Right. And that's been 2 days. You could have made money on it right here, right in there, and right in here.
Yes.
Yeah. Are we doing the I don't know what Dick said, but are we doing like stocks on the challenge when the prop firm opens up in July? Are they allowing that? You know?
Yeah, I don't know about that. Oh, you doing it? You doing the challenge?
I'm thinking about it. I'm considering it because I mean all these tools you got. I'm thinking about it. I'm still up in the air, but I'm gonna see how it goes because I'm doing MFF right now. But I like to try different things, man. I'm just one of those guys that like to try different things, you know.
Yeah.
But this is dope, man. Look at that. 2 days in a row. Just got to back test this thing, see. But look at this down here.
Yeah, that's a downtrend.
A downtrend, right? So if it's here, it opened up there. What was the market open up here? This market up. Oh, let's see what it was. It was gap. Yeah, that's a gap. Yep. Look at that. So this has to be here, close here, and open up down here. Gap there. Open up here.
There were massive selling.
Oh no, open up here. Sorry.
No, I opened up right at 9:30.
At 9:30 on the top, and it went down like this. So this is down here.
That's a trend day. A trend day looks like that.
June 16th. What day was that? Hold on. June 16th. June 16th. Right? Is that what it is? June 16th. Let's look at June 16th over here.
Yeah.
June 16th. 16th. Oh yeah, 9:30. Yeah, I can see that. The gap right there.
Yeah, that's what it is. The gap down.
Right there. So how many people are brave enough to know that you're selling at the end of the day and you hold the trade and you catch all this?
Yes, you could catch it with
you could catch that, right? Yeah, you could do that, right? So how many people are brave to do that? That's the question. How many people?
The reason why they don't know is because they don't understand market internals.
So this is what time? This is high up here, 2:33 in the afternoon before the stock closes. So the stock closes here, I guess.
Yeah.
How many people would have been brave enough to hold this trade overnight?
I'm saying that what does the market internal said before it closed?
Well, that's what I'm saying. If it's over here, if it's here, right?
So
yes. We're up here.
Yes, correct. So the market was trying to push up, but then you look at the ADD, right? It was pushing downwards. So I mean that's a divergence for a back, for to go down.
So who would have caught this?
I don't hold options overnight because you never know.
Right. So that's my question. My question is, you don't hold options, but if you have Okay, that's the question. Because sometimes I hold stuff overnight. But I know options are a little different. But this gap,
options is
I've
different.
caught some gaps. I mean, I got burned on some gaps, but I've gotten paid on some gaps too. I've gotten paid nicely on some gaps.
Yeah.
You know, but yeah, I'm just trying to get a feel for what's happening. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
How many people can say, "Oh, we're going to hold the gap"? I mean, you don't really have to hold the gap, I guess. But if you was trading that whole time here, you got in here, you hold this whole thing. But this is a whole downtrend.
It's sweet.
That's pretty nice. Yeah, sweet. Yeah.
All right, but yo, I gotta go. So my wife is calling me, so I gotta go.
Yeah. Well, I'm just going over some stuff, man, for my own checking out some stuff. Some
all right, peace.
Some NAS. All right, peace. Some NAS. This is pretty good, man. This is NAS 100. NAS 100. Yeah, you can really catch some nice trades on NAS 100 on this thing. I think. Specifically, this bullish run here. But I'm curious to see what happens at 9:30. Because this is really overbought, man. Damn, look at this. Way up here. I don't know who caught this, but this is a nice trade here. Look at that, all the way up here. So we're up here now. We're totally oversold. It's kind of now selling off a little bit, I think. Way over here. Let's see. I probably don't need this one. This one here is good here. So that's the void there. What day is this? This is see what happens at 9:30. So what happens going to happen at 9:30? 9:30, market's going to open up. Somewhere in here somewhere, right? That's 30. So that's going to be interesting to see what happens on this market. Over here, right? Get rid of these things. That's pretty solid, man. Because this is the word is now it's way up here someplace. So I guess it all depends on when the market opens up at 9:30. It might be a big gap. Because this thing's way overbought, man. I don't know. It looks pretty sweet. Looks pretty sweet to me. I'm looking at buying some sales when 9:30 roll around for NAS. No? I think that could be pretty good. Yeah. Did anybody have any questions? Anything about that? Any areas you want to go over? Let's see what you got here. Yeah, that's dope though. I think this is pretty good stuff, man. I'm gonna show what I found with DAX. I was looking at DAX yesterday. Look at DAX here. That's closed right now, but it opens up at 3 o'clock in the morning. So let's see here. Oh yeah, see that's dope. I can probably pull over here, right? This DAX. Let's see here. Pull up DAX here. All right, that's DAX right there. Because this is closed. It's closed. Let me pull up. See, I'll get rid of some of those. Yeah, it's closed. Yeah, that's closed right there. Then I found out how do you put the ADD? How do you put the ADD? This indicator right here. Market internals. Right here. This one. So I just added that one to the chart. But I see I have to use 3 screens because it gets too messy. So it's like you can have DAX here, right? What's this one up here? You got DAX over here. So you can see DAX is on the 3-minute time frame. Looks like it's kind of stuck here. Depends. I guess it all depends on how it opens up. That'll depend on how it opens up. Like how this is going to open up. But I did see, like I did back test this on some of the, see some of these things are kind of weird. They get all strange and weird. Indicators do. When you have too many indicators on there, you start seeing some of the other indicators on the bottom. So let me get rid of this here. Let's see what this is. So this is where we are right now. Oh, what's this? Yeah, this is where we are right now. So I think what has to happen is I'm gonna take this off. I'll take this off, and I'm gonna add this market internals here. and see, we go here and add this here. Take off these. So now, and wait, I gotta go to let's tick. I want ADD. See here, ADD here like this. So go and do that. Then come over here and then look to see what you got. Okay. So that's the let's see, that's the up here. So it's up here like this. And then we just go see where we open up at. Let's look at the candles. This, okay. So the market closed here, right, at 417. This was let's see what this is here. This closed at 428. So there's a gap up. So closes at the DAX market closes 1144, June 23rd, and opens back up at June 24th, 9:30 for the market internals. So automatically there's a gap from here to here. So this gapped up. This gap from here to here is a gap up. So we already know if you're looking for buys because there's a big gap right there, there's a big zone. So the big zone's right here, from here to here, a big zone. That's a big gap. So it has to fill that gap. So when the market opens up at 9:30 on Monday, which is right here, look at that, right in there, right here. Then we're looking for buys, and we got buys coming up. So I got the market closed here, down here below 800. So it has to gap up, has to make recovery, opens up at, what point does this open up at? It opens up at 1810, which means we're bullish. So 9:30, we get buy signals already popping up already. That's June 24th at 9:30. On a void, June 24th at 9:30 is the same thing here, right? Same thing, June 24th, 9:30 right there. So all three line up together. All three line up together. Got this gap right here, because this is the ADD from here. So you got three different options to choose from. You come to the chart. Oh, where's that chart here, right? Was that chart at? Oh, here, my bad. Let me move it over here real quick. Too many damn charts here. So let me write this little notepad here. This is dope. I think I'm gonna use this. This should help out some folk. So you got this here, right? So what's the rules? The rules are what? See where price closes, right? On ADD. So let's look at this. Let's look at this example for the 24th. So the market closed, right, below 800, right? So price closed, closed below 800. 800, right? 800. That market close. ADD. Let me just put AD, not price. ADD. Add ADD. So add opened up at above 1500, right? Above 1500, not really 1800, but I'll say above 1500. Opened above of 1500, which means that we should begin buys. So that's the ADD. So we go to the chart, and we get a buy signal already from our indicators. So, and then you got this blue line coming up here on the pole wave. So that means, and it got green color flips. That's good. And then what about the void? Well, the void closed here. What the void close? 24th, it opened up, closed here at 632. Right? The void closed 632. Had this big gap, and it opened up. What it opened up? It opened up at above 1500. So the void opened up above 1500. The void opens above 1500, which means buys. So the void is telling you buys, the ADD telling you buys, and the indicator is telling you buys because you got buy signals here. And the pro wave is telling you it's coming up buys. That's 4 confluences. Damn. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. You can add the void. Actually, you don't even need this over here, probably. You probably can get the void here, the DAX here. You just have these 3 pages here. You got the DAX here. You probably don't even need this. You got the indicator right here. So I can move this up. I can move this up like this. See that? That's what we need right there. So I got that big gap right there. That's good. So you can back test this all day long. See what you got. And get rid of that. Look at this one here. First, open up at 9. Let's see. Look at this. Perfect example. This is another perfect example. Rule. See where price closes on ADD. Price closed here at 45, right? And opened up here at 822. So I have a gap here. So I have to make up for this gap. So when the bell opened up at 9:30, it should be a sell on the 23rd. 23rd should be a buy, excuse me. 23rd should be a buy. Let's see, 23rd. 23rd is a buy, right? Yep, right here, see? 23rd is a buy. 23rd, 23rd, 23rd. Somebody sleeping on the thing. Let's see what you got. What you got here? Somebody, what you got? All right, so the 23rd at 9 o'clock in the morning. Right? Oh, this one started 23rd. Go back 23rd. Let's sell 23rd. 23rd. No, right here. See, buy right in there. 9:30. Right in there. Oh no. This would have been a sell off. See, this is a sell off here. June 23rd. Sell off. So it must have been a sell here. Where's the sell at? 23rd. Where's 23rd at? Yeah. The 23rd. I don't know. That would have been a sell. 9:30. Yeah, a little sell here. I guess a little sell down. Yeah, it's a little sell. My bad. That wasn't a buy. It was a sell. 23rd was a sell. Here. 23rd to sell here. Right. We might have those up. 23rd at 9:30, which is right. Right. Oh, wait, we're here 9:30. Here someplace. But it was selling way before anyway. 9:30 is right here. So 9:30 the market's selling down. And let's see. Avoid 9:30. Let's see. June 23rd. 23rd is right here someplace. 23rd. Right here. Yeah, I can see that. It came up here and it sold down. Where's the yeah, it was a gap down. So that makes sense. The gap closed here. And you got this big gap you got to fill. So let's see, that was the 23rd here. Yeah, that kind of makes sense because it closed here, but it kind of came up and then it came back down. I guess you have to look at the rules and see. I'm trying to see if I can, let's go back another more days here and see if we can get, here's some 3 bullish days right here, bearish days right here. All right, so let's see what this did. This, what day is this? This is June 9th. Let's put a June 9th here. June 9th is right here. June 9th right there at 9:30. Okay, so where did let's see where price closed at. 9:30 is right here. So this closed right there. I had a gap up, and then it fell off. So it opened up here. Opened up right there. Opened up right here. But it kept opening up at that same level. So this was this was what day was this? Again, day was this? This was June 8th, right? This is June 9th. No, June 10th, sorry, June 10th. June 8th. That was Wednesday. June 9th is 9:30. Where's 9:30 at? June 9th, June 9th right here. June 9th right there. Right there. June 9th. June 10th. It's right here, right? Yep, right there, boom. Right there, June 10th. Up in there somewhere. And June 11th is here. Right? That's June 13th. June 10th. Oh yeah, because it's Monday. Monday, because stock open Monday. So let's check it out. This is Thursday. This is Friday. I think this makes sense. Friday. And this is what day is this? This is going to be Monday. Here, Monday, right there, Monday. All right. So there's 3 red days on the 3 days there. So let me go to another pair. Let's see. Let's do SPX. Can we do that? Okay, I see the XBX right there. So I'm gonna go XBX, and I'm gonna go look for what dates was that? No, wait. Days was Thursday, Friday, June 9th, June 10th, June 13th, June 9th. Let's see what June 9th looks like. I have to go back a little bit more. Let's see if I can go to June 9th. June 9th. Let's see, June 9th. June 9th at 9:30. Let's see. Let's see if this works. I believe this is going to work. 9:30. Here we go. Right. There we go. There we go. Okay, so I gotta find the candles. Let's do the 30 minute. Oh, here we go. Okay, here we go. So I'm in June 9th. Let's see. Come down here. Let's see if I can find a 3-minute time frame for this. Let me go. Here we go. June 9th. Go down a little bit. June 9th. June 9th. June 20th. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame and look for it. Let's see. June 9th. There we go. Getting there, right? Getting there now, June 9th. Looks like some sell days here. June 9th. Okay, there we go, June 9th. All right, right up in here someplace. Let's open it up. See what you got. June 9th at 9:30. Let's see, June 9th at 9:30. I'll call June 9th, 9:30. We'll call it June 9th, 9:30, right about June 9th at 9:30, right there. All right, so that's a clear sell. Clear sells at the beginning of the day. Let me see. So June 9th, June 10th, and June 13th was sells. That's June 9th right there. Right in there. This is June 10th, sell. And then Monday rolled around. Monday rolled around, which is June 13th, over here, and it's still selling. Damn. So if you'd have looked at the void here, you'd have seen it. Because you'd have had a gap up. This would have been a seller's market here. I think that makes sense. When did this open up? This opened up, say this opened up here. Oh, negative. Yeah, that makes sense. I have to just got to play it out and see how this works out. But those 3 days there were negative. Now let's see what happens when you try to what happens on this day here. What's going to happen when the market opens up on Monday, tomorrow? Let's see what we got here, right? Okay, let's see where we are now. All right, so how can we look at the market? How do we know it's going to open up? So you can come over here and say, all right, so the market, well, I don't know what's going to happen when the market's here. So this was 27th. 27th today. That's the 24th. So the market's going to open up somewhere up here 9:30. Time to find out when the market. We got to find out when the market opens. So we got to look at the rules here. Let's see. When does the market open? What value is the ADD when the market opens up at 9:30? That's the key. What value? What value? What value is the void at when the market opens up at 9:30? That's important. And then to that point, you should be able to go to the indicator and see, right? So let's see what we got over here. We go to 4-hour time frame, see what we got. Where you at? That's not that high, I don't think, right? Somewhere down here. Hard to find these candles when you don't know where they are. Here we go. There they go. See, they're up here. All right, so I can come down to the 4-hour time frame over here. So we're currently at right now, and it looks like it's bullish a little bit, right? It's got a bullish candle for the day. So let me go down to the 5-minute time frame and see what this looks like. Okay, jump on up here. So let's see what you got. Let's see what you got. All right, there. All right, so market opened up. Today's the 27th at 6 o'clock. It's been bullish. So it's way overbought now. So I guess it all depends on what happens. When the market opens up at 9:30, is it going to be above 800 or below 800? That's or 500, right? That's the key. That's the key. When the market opens up at 9:30, where does it open up at? Because these are two other levels here. There's a level right here too. If it opens up above 1800, then it'll be bullish. So it has to break this level here. Let's see. How to be bullish? This bullish run here. It's on the 5-minute time frame. Say it was bullish when it first started. So that's the key. The key is what value is the ADD when the market opens up at 9:30? What value is the void at when the market opens at 9:30? Then that's going to tell if it's going to be a bullish or bearish day. Makes sense to me. I have to check it out tomorrow 9:30. So I'm going to pull up my SPX and see what the heck's going on with it. I think maybe we catch some trees. Let's see what happens with that. That should be pretty dope. Test it out. It's gonna be interesting, right? All right. Well, anybody else got any ideas, thoughts? Anybody else? I don't know who else is here. But yes, I am recording it. Let's see who we got. What you got? But that's pretty big. It's pretty good, man. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I think that's going to work out. What value is the ADD when the market opens at 9:30? What value is the void at when the market opens at 9:30? And let's see. Oh yeah, what you got? Yeah, I got a recording. I'm gonna pump it up to my YouTube channel, and then go from there. Does anybody else have any other questions? Anything else? I'm gonna have to watch it again. I'm gonna have to go back and retest it. Back test it actually. Other than that, I'm going to hop off this Zoom here real quick. And oh, hold on. Let me pull up here. I got it right here for you. Hold on a second. Let's see. Let me pull up here real quick. Right here, look. Is it here, right? Yeah, it's right here. Look. This is it. Yeah, right here. Yeah. I'll pull up here. That's right there. How might I come up though? Let's see. No, that's not it. Don't pay attention to that. That's not going to be the channel. Hold on. That's not the channel. That's just when I do the that's not the channel. My bad. That's when you do all the edits and stuff. Don't copy that. This is it here. Right there. That. The other one's not. Just don't pay attention to that. This first one's not. That's just the editing part. But I'm gonna upload this to my channel. This is some deep stuff, man. Deep stuff. Yeah. Anybody got any questions? Anything else you want to go over or see or see what's happening? Nas is still going up, man. That's pretty good right there. I think that's going to be it. Let's see. SPX is here. Void right there because they got the void in ADD. It's pretty solid, man. It's pretty solid. Pretty solid. Pretty solid. But I'm gonna leave it here and I'm gonna see what's going on, what's happening, and just kind of go see what's up with that. I gotta record it real quick, and then I'll render it for the people. But other than that, if anybody got anything else they want to look at, they want to see, I will say peace, and I will check you guys on the other side in the chat room, brothers. But I will upload the video to YouTube. So chill out and have a good night. And I'll check everyone out on the side. All right. Peace, brothers.